I'm sure by now everyone will be aware of salicylic acid and its benefits on the skin. But did you know that if used above the mentioned quantity, it can actually cause a lot of problems, especially skin peeling? So there are some precautions that you have to keep in mind before using this popular acid, which literally saves your skin from further damage. Hi, I'm Dr. Nithu, and I'm a dermatologist with an extensive experience in treating skin and hair conditions. First, what is salicylic acid? So salicylic acid is a class of medication called as keratolytic agents. And these keratolytic agents are compounds which helps in the breakdown of the outer layer of skin and will also help to bind to moisture. Salicylic acid will be able to penetrate deep into your skin and is therefore considered very effective for treating acne, especially blackheads and whiteheads. It can also treat dandruff, psoriasis, seborrheic dermatitis of the skin as well as scalp, and many other conditions. How does salicylic acid work? Once salicylic acid penetrates into the skin, it dissolves the skin debris that clogs the pores and therefore acts as an anti-inflammatory and also will help the red inflamed pimples and pustules to clear faster. And therefore, it is considered as a keratolytic medication, which means it is perfect for supreme exfoliation. Now, keratolytic medications can cause softening of the skin, also sloughing of the top layer of skin cells. So commonly, it is available in cream form, gel form, face wash form, and it is also available in different strengths. Now, the most important part, that is the side effects of salicylic acid. So if you use salicylic acid as an experiment without doing proper precautions, then definitely it will damage your skin and it can cause peeling of skin, burning sensation, redness, itching, irritation, as well as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which can cause a lot of problems. Now, how to avoid these dangerous side effects? Basically, you have to keep few things in mind. That is, you have to be precautious of few things. You have to consult a dermatologist or a skin doctor to get an expert opinion on how your skin is and how much does your skin need. Don't use the acid on dry and irritated skin or sensitive skin. And a history of self-treatment with steroid creams is a strict no for salicylic acid. Don't use more than twice a day application for a face wash and once a day application for the gel form. And always take doctor's advice. Do peels also. Some salicylic acid peels also, if you're doing, do it under doctor's guidance. It is very important to know your skin type and whether the acid suits it before doing a procedure. Wash your face immediately with cold water for 5 to 10 minutes if you feel any burning sensation or irritation. Consult a dermatologist immediately if you see any side effects. So now you're wiser about salicylic acid. And if you are having any questions for me, leave them in the comment box and I'll definitely look into that and definitely I'll answer them. And also, please keep in mind that it is your skin and don't take chances with it. Take care.